How's it going, rednecks? Today we are here at Shop Peon, and I'm working on the Oldsmobile. What I'm gonna try and do is mount that there bumper, which is a Jeep bumper, onto the Oldsmobile. So obviously the first step, getting the Oldsmobile front bumper off, so let's get to it. Well, there you go, rednecks. It's obviously just slipped on there right now, but it don't look half bad. It's a little wide by probably 2 inches, but I'm not gonna freaking complain. That went on way too easy. All I gotta do is make a few adapter plates now and get it on, so yeah, I'm already excited. All right, rednecks, I was getting so excited in the process that I forgot to include you guys. Right now, as you can see, we have the Jeep bumper torn apart. That's the steel part of it. This is the plastic, and then the Oldsmobile one's there. And I'm getting ready right now on that machine right there. I'm gonna start punching a plate or stamping out a plate that is gonna incorporate these 4 bolt holes right here that the toe points for the Jeep bumper hook to. And then I need to make one for right here. And then we're gonna somehow make an adapter plate to join the two together. So let's head over there. I'll get you guys set up and we'll start making that plate. Next, we have the bumper plates made, the one over here for the passenger side and then the driver's side. They're all bolted on. Now what we need to do is figure out where the Jeep ones are gonna go in relevance to that right there. So we're gonna make some plates, figure something out. We gotta figure out what kind of metal we're gonna use, and then I'll update you on where we're at. Well, right next, there we go. We got the bumper all tack welded on, got everything tacked right now. It is actually past midnight. Me and Tyler here are tired, we're sick of it. I'm pretty worn out, so we're gonna end it right here. I'm happy it's all tacked on. All I have to do now is just unbolt it, finish weld everything, and I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. Maybe it'll be in another video, I'm not quite sure yet, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and get back to work. Yeah, what is that? Rock Auto. Boom.